एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू क्लास। आज हम सॉल्व करने वाले हैं मॉक टेस्ट 3। आई होप यू आर सॉल्विंग मेनी अदर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स. Please do not forget to join Telegram group because there we share more practice questions of vocabulary for SNAP students. Keep practicing and that's how we are going to clear the cutoff in exam, everyone. So let's get started. Without further ado, mock SNAP test 3 जिसमें कि हम English के कुछ questions practice करते हैं. Since exam में we get 15 questions, here in class also we are going to solve 15 questions. So चलो जल्दी से start करते हैं. पहला राइट डायरेक्शंस रीड करते हैं. करना क्या है? इन ईच ऑफ द सेंटेंसेस गिवन बिलो अ वर्ड is printed in bold. Below it, 4 choices are given. Pick up the one which is most nearly the same in meaning as the word printed or printed in bold and can replace it without altering the meaning of the sentence. Okay. It is very difficult to retain all that you hear in class. So you forget things, isn't it? So it is difficult to retain means it is difficult to. What do you think? Remember, to retain means to retain the memory, to retain the information. So to remember, right? Recall means to remember again. Like exam में याद आएगा कि नहीं आएगा? Will you be able to recall this in exam? What you're doing now? It's so that's why I always say keep revising. एक बार vocabulary class देखना is never enough. Whenever you see vocabulary, you have to एटलीस्ट वोकैबुलरी आपको रिवाइज करना ही पड़ेगा. तो एक बार साथ में टीचर के सॉल्व करो, एक बार म्यूट करके खुद से आप एक बार रिवाइज करो कि अच्छा हाँ सारे वर्ड्स याद है ना, like that. Question number 2. The great artist's life was full of vicissitudes. So vicissitudes means ups and downs, many changes. So ups and downs मतलब negative positive दोनों. अच्छे जो आर्टिस्ट की लाइफ में बहुत कुछ देखने मिलता है. So सिर्फ negative नहीं. Sorrow means sadness, दुख, misfortune, bad luck. Not just negative, not just positive. Changes, right? Many ups and downs like that. Question number 3. Here we have to look for opposite, right, in meaning. So history abounds. Abounds means history is full of instances, situation, examples of courage. जहाँ लोगों ने courage दिखाया, history में ऐसे बहुत example आपको मिल जाएंगे. But you have to look for opposite word, opposite of abound. तो कुछ like so not suffice means sufficient, full of. So history lacks. History में कमी है. अगर मैं इधर history is full of that these instances mean history lacks these instances, isn't it? So B will be the best option here. The inhabitants of the island were so barbarian means very cruel people. So basically it's a negative word. So that means since I'm looking for opposite, I'm looking for a positive word in the option. So which option is positive? Civilized, cruel, right? Bad, uncivilized, all are negative. So option A is correct answer. Question number 5, everyone. The grapes are now blank enough to be picked. Means you can pick them, right? आप तोड़ सकते हो grapes को. So it's not like they're completely like matured. Mature means सारे आप wine बना सकते हो आप like थोड़े सड़ गए उस level पे. But they're ripe enough. Because of the word enough, we'll choose ripe. Not ready enough or advanced, ripe enough. Success in this examination. So maybe they are not 120%, 100% right, but they are good enough. Like to eat or to be picked. Success in this examination depends on. हमेशा depends on ही होता है, right? So D. This was easier, no brainer, I would say. Question number 7. You have to choose the correct spelling. So benefited, bene, not benny. It's always bene. Beneficial, benefit, always bene. Right? So ये तो गलत है. And then double T will not come. So benefited, isn't it? Here let's see the spellings. Acquisition. So AQ. We need a C here. This is wrong. Acquisition. ACQ. UI. यहाँ पे U की जरूरत है. ये भी गलत है. Right? TION. So B is the correct answer. Now we will move to next. यहाँ पे हमें proverb या idiom है उसका meaning, correct meaning we have to figure out. To have an X to grind. It means, for example, मुझे एक पुराना हिसाब बराबर करना है किसी से, right? I'll say, oh, I found this person. Now I have an X to grind. This person was very rude to me, right? Last year. So अब मैं भी उसको बोलूँगी, अरे you were rude to me. So I have मुझे बताना है उसको like that. So to have an X to grind means to right to a private and a personal matter to serve. आपको अपना कुछ काम like वो आपको निपटाना है like that. You want to end it in a way. लेकिन भाई ठीक है किसी ने कुछ बोला आपको भी अब ये करना है. So to have an X to grind means to private end means a goal to serve, goal or something, to serve. To cry wolf, so you must have heard the story कि एक लड़का था, he used to cry daily, okay, wolf came and he used to fool people कि कोई नहीं आया. So the day actually really the wolf came and he was crying, oh wolf came, nobody came to protect him because he thought, yeah, today also he is just making us a fool. So basically to give false alarms to people is cry wolf. Right. Question number 11, everyone. So now here, find the correct match of grammatical function of the word well. So let's read sentence A first. जब भी ऐसा आएगा आपको एग्जाम में, you have to start with reading the sentence. You never miss the water till the well runs dry. So well means kuan. In Hindi we call it kuan. So basically you don't miss the water till you don't have enough water in the well, right, to drink. So see, what is noun? Name, place, thing, animal. So here it is noun clearly. So if it is noun, 3A is the match. Now in which all option you will see 3A only here, baki 3D. So looks like A is the correct answer, but you can just be sure. So this way you can solve it, but you can just be sure by maybe matching one or two, but you can save your time and skip it. The children behaved. So behaving is an action. I am behaving good. I am behaving bad. So behaved. How they behaved? Well. So ये हो गया verb. Verb को जो चीज define करे, good, bad, well, will be an adverb. So 4C, यहाँ पे 4C भी. So now you're very sure one is the correct answer. So वैसे आपको आगे देखने की जरूरत नहीं. This is how you can just solve these questions. Question number 12. Who is creating this mess? So here we have active passive voice. अगर active है तो passive में करना है, passive है तो active में करना है. But generally they always give you active voice in exam and you have to convert it into passive voice. So who is creating this mess? Means this mess has been created by whom or by whom, right? By whom. यहाँ पे हम हमेशा इससे शुरू करेंगे, not who has been. आपने subject से start किया तो भी वो active ही है. You have to start with by whom. Is creating, right? ing, not who created, who is creating, right? So we need being created, right? So now tell me what's the correct answer here, right? By whom is this mess being created? By whom this mess is being, is question आप पूछोगे तो starting में is आएगा. So D is the correct answer. They greet me cheerfully every morning. Means I am greeted cheerfully every morning by them, something like that, isn't it? So देखो, I'll give you half a minute to go through the options. They greet me, not greeting me. Greeting तो लिखा नहीं है, so being greeted is wrong. I am being greeted cheerfully by them every morning. So B is correct. Wane means faded. Right, analogy, color. So color fade होता है, weight कम होता है ना हमको. Not corpulent means overweight. So ज़्यादा नहीं, कम की चाहिए हमें. So no. Flavor instead of bland होना कि भाई आपने कोई चीज ज्यादा ऐड कर दी है, वाटर ज्यादा ऐड कर दी खाने में, कुछ भी ऐसा, तो अब वो फ्लेवर या मसाले पता नहीं चल रहे हैं. सो यस, फ्लेवर कैन बी लेस, सो ब्लैंड. कॉम्प्लेक्शन, पैलेट. सी बहुत सारे टाइप कॉम्प्लेक्शन होते हैं. पैलेट इज स्लाइटली येलोइश कॉम्प्लेक्शन, राइट? सो अगेन कॉम्प्लेक्शन कम ज्यादा में क्या बोलेंगे, इजंट इट? पजल, एनिग्मेटिक दोनों सिनोनिम है. एनीथिंग व्हिच इज पजलिंग, एनिग्मेटिक, मिस्टीरियस, they are not, like we are not looking for synonyms though in the main question. Pig से pork बनता है, right? An edible meat of pig. वैसे ही sheep से mutton होता है. Chicken and rooster two type of hen, right? We will say, right? Beef और steer भी नहीं. Lobster belongs to crustacean family. उसका ये, right? वैसे नहीं बनता. So B will be the correct answer. You can check all your answers here once and revise all the words, students. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon with the next mock practice session.